Hi, as we learned about robots and some code and different codes from different blocks, and we know that each block contains a different command for our robot who is waiting for our command in our right hand side. So now again we have used controls, motions, sensors, and some logics too. So today what we are going to do is we will use some functions. As we know the what are function blocks. So first block here, this is used when we want something to command to a robot, but we don't need any returns. So that is when we will be using this. And the second block we will use when we command the robot to do something and return to some point. For example, we told our robot to move forward 2 steps and after completing task come back to 1. So this is how this second block will be working. So if third block, if dash return dash, if there is any value, for example, we are moving forward and if we want to turn left now, then do not come back. So that is how we use this if block. So come on, let's learn how to use this perfectly. So we'll start with to do something. So we'll drag this block here. If we are dragging this blocks, then we don't need my program block because our program will be containing in this block. And this is similar to my program, but in this we are not doing any programming. We are just commanding a robot to do something. For example, I will command to move. Enter. And when we start this, we see that there is no code to run. Why? Because we have just told it to move, but we have not said how to move and where to move, right? So for that what we need to do is we will go to motion and we will click on move forward block and we will place it here. So after placing it here, then again we want a robot to move, right? So one more step, move forward. So now a robot will move 2 steps, 1 2. So this is how we'll be commanding a robot. So now it is not coming back to its original place, right? So for that, first we will move it in zigzag form. Now turn left, again move forward. So now our robot, when resetting and starting again, so now our robot will be moving forward 2 steps and turn left and move forward 1 step as we have commanded. So now this is not coming back because we have not used the return block. If we were using this block, then we will be the robot will be coming back to its original place. In the next few videos we'll be learning how to use this block. So that's it for today. See you in the next video, Future Robot Builder.